Okay, this is part 2 of the 3M headlight restoration repair on my 2009 Honda Odyssey headlight. I'll show you what I do here. Of course, I've got it taped off. Make sure you tape off these corners real good because you're going to have to get down there. Alright. I've got the P500 on here right now. First step, dry. You don't put any water on or anything like that. I've got my trigger holder here. I'm using a coat hanger, and I'm going to pop this dude on, and I'm going to just start. Slight angle like this, and you're just gonna make it look terrible. I do this probably 10 minutes. I go back and forth at least 6 or 7 times, maybe 10 times. You can see I've got some of that clear coat on here that I have to remove. There's some clear coat popping up, but this will take it off. I'll definitely have to use the second P500. They give you plenty in there. They give you about 6 of them. But I'll just go back, medium pressure, light to medium pressure, and I'll show you when I'm finished here when I get to part 3.